Right, excuse my very sweaty head and messy hair. We've arrived at Marrakesh, well, on the outskirts of Marrakesh, at the campsite La Relais. We're treating ourselves for a few days, because why not? But on the way to the other park up yesterday, we got Luna sorted at the vet. She had 2 injections and was given a prescription for medication. So the tablets were easy to administer. But the other thing, which is the antibiotics, the amoxicillin, comes in like this bottle with powder and a syringe on it with not milligrams, but kilos on it. So she's 10 kilos, I know that, but I'm not sure how much water or whatever it is I mix with this to put in. So my plan is to go and try and find someone that's French, because we've got some French instructions. I have tried to translate them, but I just can't make sense of it, where it says how to actually mix the medicine. So I'm gonna go around the campsite, because it's a perfect spot, there's loads of French people here, and see if any of them can speak good enough English that they can help me out. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. So after a quick wander around the camp, I managed to find some ready and willing French people to help me with these blooming instructions. And you have the medicine first.
Luna took it like a champ.
She's had the good girl. And there you go. Leave it. Good girl.
And it wasn't long before she was making friends with the locals.
So it's dread neatening day again. We did, well, Nick did 4 the other day. I tightened them up at the root a little bit.
Been dreading this.
But he's got to do it. Oh look, I'm being told to put my head down. It's as good a time to do it now as any. We've not exactly got much to look at while we're here, except our neighbours. Are you enjoying the view, Nick? I mean, the sun's shining and we're lucky we've got a nice warm shower to have later.
And it is warm, innit?
And it is hot. We've gone from 6 degrees this morning all the way, what was it when we got here? 20, yeah, around 20. It's forecast 23 for like this afternoon. Mats and Myrta have just gone to go and meet a lady at the dog sanctuary who's going to be helping them sort out Coney's paperwork for getting back into Europe. So that's good. Hopefully they come back with some good news, because there's a lot of processes you have to go through to be taking a dog from Morocco back to Europe. So I'm sure we'll know more in a little bit. But yeah, if we didn't have Luna, I'm pretty certain we'd end up with a dog in tow on the way home, don't you, Nick? It's just really sad when you see him. We actually saw a dead puppy the other day. It was freaking horrendous on the side of the road, like really emotional, because it was, yeah, it's horrible seeing it. It's obviously been run over, but like in the UK, we all regard dogs as our pets. We love them like they're our kids. So to see one just left on the side of the road was just, yeah, it was really sad. But some of our friends who are currently into Frout are trying to sort out some sort of campaign, because they're planning to kill around, I think it was 3 million dogs before the World Cup in 2030, which is absolutely devastating. I know it's their culture and it's what they have to do, blah 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 blah, but in my opinion it's not what they have to do. They're not really sorting out the problem, they're just killing them all. So we've got some friends who are trying to campaign to try and sort that out. So if anyone wants to help out a little bit, follow the link in the description and it'll take you to their pages. They're doing really good things, and hopefully, you know, we can get some attention on social media, and you never know who might pick it up, so pass it on as well. So we're just cooking up some tuna crunch pasta for some tea, and Nick's just cut up a pepper and found a little present inside.
Maybe it's a butterfly.
Oh,
It's eating through all that, look.
gross.
But I don't know what it got in
Hold
there.
still. It's alive.
Yeah.
Gross, get rid.
We are busy.
You are busy.
Yes, we are.
So on this campsite, one of the positives is they've got a little doggy shower. So we're going to take Luna for a wash. She's not had one since we were in the UK. She's been in the sea and stuff, but that's it. So we're going to get rid of all that dust, ready for her to go and roll in more dust. Oh, look at Cheeky nose. Oh, good girl. They've not got a towel. Oh, wrap her up like E.T. There you go.
All done.
All finished. So while we waited for Luna to dry off, a few more friends turned up.
And then it was time for my wash.
Colder than the lake, definitely.
Colder than the lake.
Yeah.
So we just go for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just fucking go.
Go.
Do it!
Right, so plan is, we're still on this campsite at the moment. We've stayed here for 2 nights. 2 nights is 2 nights chill, but we're ready to move, right? Anyway, we're moving on. We found a lake just like south-ish of Marrakesh. So we're gonna go and check that out, see if we can have another bit of fun on another lake in Morocco, because why the hell not? So, we're leaving. Let's get the hell out of here. Done with campsites for a few days, right?
Let's hope so. Dakar, have to move, buddy.
Oh. Oh, bless him.
See you in a bit, guys.
See you in a bit. Yeah, so everyone's coming down to the lake, hopefully, as long as they get all their errands done. But I think just for now, there's going to be a 3-van convoy to the lake. Fingers crossed we're all sorted soon. Just need to go and pay. So we've just visited Marjan. I don't know how that's pronounced right or not, but we've just visited one of those. That's the first one of them we've ever been to in Morocco, actually. We're going to fill up with diesel and then head to Carrefour so the guys can get themselves some alcohol, and then we will be heading to our park for the night, hopefully. Fingers crossed, this is it. Right, so Marrakesh is freaking crazy. I've not really been filming.
Your bike over then.
Oh my god.
Right on in front of
I've not been filming because our sat nav decided to stop working halfway through Marrakesh. So I've been panicking trying to sort that out, but we've just left Mux and Murta because the first Carrefour didn't work out. We'll meet you at the lake. So we're heading that way now and hopefully out of Marrakesh. We're trying our hardest to get out, right?
Yeah, the craziness.
Let's go. So, we're here, we've arrived. Look at this beautiful view. It's gorgeous, and it's actually, because we're not actually in the mountains, we're not far from Marrakesh, the heat is still very much there. I'm just hoping that this wind drops a little, ready for tonight, so we can have a little fire. What do you reckon, darling? So apparently it's strictly forbidden to swim in the water.
Where the jet skis then?
I'm not sure.
Well, they're in the water, aren't they? What's to fall off and swimming, aren't they?
on the go. Some vegetables. And the most incredible sunset. Look at that. Looking out onto a beautiful lake. Right, so good morning from just outside of Marrakesh, and that is clearly because I don't remember the name of where we are. But we're on a beautiful lake, which I will drop the pin of where it is just somewhere down here. But yeah, it's been a lovely 2 nights we've spent here. But today we're heading off for a few hours. We're going to be coming back this evening. But yeah, Nick's going to tell you where we're off for a few hours, aren't you?
I'll give you a clue.
Right, so there's the clue. I'm not doing it. He is. So is Mats and Myrta, Nikki, Luke and Lauren. So I'm going to go and watch and probably have kittens, if I'm honest. So yeah, 17-minute drive away. We're all just getting ready and prepared now, ready to go. There's 3 vans going. So yeah, come and join us. Because this one is risking it for a biscuit.
What life live it?
Estimated time of arrival is exactly on time. I love how you jumped in without saying goodbye. Bye! Woohoo! Ciao! Have fun!
So, a bit more of a clue what we're doing? Can you see?
No, I don't have it. But I think it's, well, that one is small. Mine.
Yes. I'm about to do a paragliding jump. Stay tuned.
Are you excited? How do you feel, Mats?
Yes.
How do you feel, Mats?
From my hood.
Nikki, are you ready?
Oh, I was born ready.
You need your helmet, but then you're ready to go. I don't need a helmet.
Give me the parachute.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Any last words?
Enjoy. We will wait.
I just hope my wallet doesn't fall out of my pocket. It's all gonna be alright.
Why not first?
You got this, dude.
Where's she going?
Hey, Donna.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh my days.
There's space for this because we're flying free. Look at this.
This is one of the best days of my life, this.
Yeah, now we start the flight.
Yeah.
Jala! How was it, Nick? Yeah, amazing.
Amazing. It feels like just on a string, just doing nothing.
Yeah. But you were fucking far away.
Yeah.
You were fucking far away. You were almost flying over the van.
Sat there nearly at the lake.
Oh my god. That's so cool.
How was that?
Fucking brilliant.
Survived it, dude. Holy shit.
That was fucking something else.
Really? And then you on the other.
Hanging.
Yeah.
Like, just like the string.
Yeah. And
Amazing. Like,
Ciao.
Woo! Woo!
go, Matt. Can you hear screaming?
Woo!
Well done.
Yeah, did you see it? That was so cool. I was just like, go, 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 go.
How cool is that?
Woo!
it's good to pass that.
A few moments later.
You all alive?
Puked 5 times. No jokes.
Oh. Do you enjoy it?
Fuck yeah, boy. Holy shit.
Not really.
How was that, darling?
Amazing.
Well worth it.
Yeah. It's just nuts.
It's not.
Just nuts. Yeah, it's crazy.
Where are we going now then?
We're gonna go and have. I don't know about.
Oh, here's Monica. We're coming now. Tell me about it.
It just felt like I was sat in a swing in the air and not moving, because nothing was moving. I was just getting higher and higher and higher. But it was just crazy. That's it for this week, people.
Check out a sneak peek of what's to come next time.
And don't forget to stay tuned for the bloopers.
Well, if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, then make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget to ding the bell.
To keep up to date with all our vlogs.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are.
Only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. No. No, don't. Fuck a duck. Crazy fools. Nick, have you got the keys? Oh, good.